Short after the floods, Jalalpur, Pirwala and nearby areas remain submerged, villages erased and families stranded in roadside tents beside stagnant, contaminated water. Families have lost homes, livelihoods and safety. Children suffer malnutrition, disease and trauma, while displacement leaves lasting scars on their health and minds. Relentless destruction has swept away homes, ruined health centres and silenced schools. Clean water is scarce, medicines limited and hope fragile. In this crisis, Alkhidmat volunteers are a lifeline, rescuing families, serving meals, providing water, medical care and shelter in Jalalpur, Pirwala. Thousands still wait for relief, food, healing and the chance to rebuild their lives.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं जलालपुर तहसील लाड़ जनूबी मौजा बेट के च मैं उत्थों के नलेंदा पिया सिलाब दी सूरत दे विच उत्था के रसा फसे होया से वाल इत्था के रसा जलालपुर दे विच रह गए से उन तो बावजूद साकू अलखिदमत वाले मिलेन उनदे नाल सहयोग कीता से साकू ने खैमे दे दिता है और खाने दा हर पूरा निज़ाम अलखिदमत दी तरफों साकू मिलदा पे असां अलखिदमत दा बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करदे हैं कि साकू ही शायद काबिल समझ कीते हैं।
With your support, Alkhidmat can continue this mission, bringing life-saving aid today and hope for tomorrow.